When businesses buy technology without a clear plan, it usually costs more than they expect. A study shows large IT projects exceed budgets by 45%, miss deadlines, and deliver far less value than promised. A strong procurement process saves money and ensures the right tools help your business grow. That's from JP McCaslin, Sales and Marketing Director at NetGreen Solutions. IT procurement isn't just about buying hardware or software. It involves defining internal needs, shortlisting vendors, collecting quotes, evaluating options beyond price, negotiating contracts, tracking delivery, and reviewing outcomes. Skipping any of these steps can lead to incompatible tools, poor support, or inflated costs. It's a strategic function that shapes long-term costs, vendor relationships, compliance, and employee productivity. For example, buying based only on price or leaving out IT security during vendor selection can create major risks down the line. Modern procurement demands faster decisions, tighter compliance, and smarter vendor management. That's why many companies partner with managed service providers. They offer access to vetted vendors, better cost control, deep security reviews, and long-term scalability. Want to stop wasting money and get more value from your IT purchases? Read the full article on our website, and don't forget to add this to your playlist.